need some chocolate. Okay. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Ta-da! Today, I will be talking about 10, I'm gonna be all jam-packed today. 10 ways you can make fitness fun. Or make working out fun. Alright. Let's get right into the video. Alright, number 1, bike riding. Bike riding to me is so much fun. It's not as tiring, but you're burning like so much calories when you're riding a bike. You can go like longer distances in shorter periods of time, and it's so much fun. Like, seriously. Number 2, we got jump roping. I know y'all used to do double dutch. Don't play with me. Y'all used to do double dutch with your friends back in pre-K and elementary school. It was so much fun. So you can do like sets. You can do jump roping as a actual like whole workout, or you can do it as a warm up before the workout, or like a cool down after your workout. However you want to do it, just that's on you. Alright, the third one is running, but not like regular running. Kind of like, think of it like, try to make it dramatic, like,
why are you running?
or like you're in an action movie and you're getting, like a gang is after you, like they're shooting at you. I don't know, but like, you know, I don't know. Your imagination is powerful, so you could create these kind of like. To me, I like to think life is a movie to make life more interesting. So I've been doing that sometimes, and it really helps. You start running faster. Just be careful not to hurt yourself. You be running faster. You be like, you be running. So another thing you can do is just walking. But this time, what you're gonna do is you're going to this is more of a motivational, like, let's say one day you get up and you're like, I'm like doing this today. Like, what you can do, you can count how many, let's say you count how many red cars there are. It's like, I'm not going back home until I count 20 cars today. Or brown houses can you count in one day. Or squirrels. If your neighborhood has a lot of squirrels, you be like, I'm not going back home until I count like 25 squirrels today. Like, that can help you really, like, think of it as a game. Make it fun. Make it like, you know, don't make it too serious. The number 6 I have here, walking a dog. I don't have a dog, but people, I see people in my neighborhood have dogs, and it looks fun. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't seem as fun when your dog is like past your knee. I'm 5'1", so what do I look like walking a Great Dane? Or I am not trying to die. Thank you. I saw this one girl. She was like, she couldn't get the dog. Just be careful with that, with walking your dog. But yeah, I think walking your dog, not only are you getting some great exercise, your dog is too. So it's a win-win there. Number 7. I'm going fast because I don't want to make the video too long. But yeah. Number 7, we have hiking. I have never gone on a hike, but I feel like it could be a really fun experience. Like, you could go different locations. You could like one day you're like, oh, let me walk 1 mile. Then the next day you're like, 2 miles, then you know it could be like a really fun way to progress and get more and more fit, honestly. Um, yeah, but you could look up in your area, like if there's any like mountains or anything, or just like parks you could hike in. Those really big parks, yeah, those are some great places to hike. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. Number 8, dancing. This is one of my favorite ways to exercise, and it doesn't even feel like exercise. By the time you're done dancing, it's like, damn, like I'm breaking a sweat. You have to sometimes you gotta pause the music and be like, dang, um, I might have to take a breath. Whew. And then, if you're wondering, like, what kind of dancing, any kind of dancing, I would say ballet, hip hop, break dancing, if that's your thing, salsa, merengue, bachata. You know me. I love me some bachata. Okay. Um, there's so many different types of dancing. Just put on your favorite song and just dance. Like, you know what I'm saying? Dance for like 30 minutes to your favorite music. That's one of the best ways to get some exercise in. Yeah, like let's say you're stressed out about homework, you have like a whole lot of homework. Just like take a 30-minute break and you just dance. Dance the night away, you know what I'm saying? Hey. Anyway, number 9, swimming. Swimming is another great exercise that doesn't even feel like exercise. You know what I'm saying? It's so much fun. And like, it doesn't even feel like it. It doesn't even feel like you're exercising. But once you get out that pool and you're tired, you will really feel like, damn, I really did get a workout in. Yeah. But make sure you got a snack nearby, because once you get out that pool, you about to be hungry. You about to be hungry. Make sure you have a fruit bowl or something or a smoothie waiting for you, because you about to be hungry. So, and the 10th way, drum roll, please. Playing a sport. And if you're like, Shy, I don't like sports. You better like one. I'm just playing. But like, try out new things. Like one day you play basketball, then one day you play tennis, then one day you play volleyball, then one day you play football, then one day you play soccer. Endless sports. Then I just mentioned 2 of them. Dancing is a sport. Hiking is a sport. No, not hiking. Swimming is a sport. Those are 2 sports right there. Like, just like diversify. Like, you don't have to just wake up and be like running. Like, there's so many ways to get a workout in. Seriously. With that being said, that's my list there. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. If not, I'm hunting you down. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. But please like, comment, subscribe. Comment any suggestions that you have for me, like any video suggestions. And also comment down below one of your favorite ways to work out, so that other people can see, like, you know, get ideas. Another thing, please go follow my new health Instagram. What's it called? Oh, Freestyle Health _. My new Instagram, Freestyle Health _. I plan on posting what I eat in a day, and snacks, breakfast, so many things. I have so many things planned for that page. So please go follow, engage. I don't want to say, so I can engage with my viewers. I would like to engage my viewers more. Um, yeah. Um, and that is it for the video. See you guys in the next video, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Peace out.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I love eating healthy.